Commercial CROWBAR, replace old and worn-out composition roofing shingles in no time with our practical pry tool. Our roof snake makes removing and applying new shingles more accurate, efficient, and safer than traditional replacement methods. Roofing tools and equipment, never damage your roof again with this convenient pocket pry bar. Install new 3-tab shingles without bending or hitting surrounding shingles or accidentally striking your fingers with your hammer in the process. Hand tools, a must-have for all roofers. This tool is forged from high-strength steel and has a patented offset nail slot feature allowing you to align nails with the correct 1-inch offset from the bottom edge of your current course. Nail puller tool. There is no need for a flat bar with this handy claw tip. Easily loosen and remove old, damaged shingles and nails by driving the claw end under the nail, rolling the nail out, and twisting the roof snake. PacTool. Trusted for decades, we are the leaders in specialized construction, renovation, and remodeling designs. Our cutting-edge product line inspires craftspeople and DIYers to work smarter, measure better, and repair more efficiently. Top reviews from the United States. Quality, built to perform under harsh conditions. Used for removing and installing roofing nails on shingles and vinyl siding.